Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys are going to be going to the gym with me. I've been doing so good since the start of this year. I've been staying true to my fitness goals. Gerard and I actually did a vision board at the beginning of the year. This is what it looks like. We actually did it with a trifold poster board and we have all of our goals. We have some pictures and things in the middle. And then we opted to do one side for me on this trifold and then one side for Gerard on this fold. So we decided to do our vision board with categories, and under the fitness category, health and fitness that is, I said that I would go to the gym at least 3 times a week. So I've been staying true to that. I have my workout gear all ready to go. We're going to give somebody a little bit of inspiration at the gym today. And I am going to be wearing my Epitua Shapermint leggings. They came in the mail recently and I'm really excited about these. They were out of stock when I did my Shapermint video. So you all be sure to check out that video. You all will be able to see what these are going to look like in a moment. I actually did 5 times the first week of January. I did 3 times the next week. And this week so far, I believe I've gone, what's today? Today is Wednesday. I've gone every day this week so far. So I'm hoping to do 5 again this week. Now, before we head to the gym, I am going to do a wig install. I typically don't really do a whole lot when I go to the gym. This is generally what I'm looking like. I'll have on my red hat. I have a wig I don't care anything about that. It's really, really busted under. Don't judge me. Probably if y'all see me in Houston just walking around, you're going to see me with this hat and this pretty jacked wig. But for those who are interested in going to the gym and having on a wig and you're wondering if you can actually use GOT2B glue on your wig to secure it, I'm going to actually secure a wig on, and the wig that I'm going to be using is going to be from Rpghair. It came in this really cute box for the new year and also Christmas time. This is actually a straight silky texture unit that they have. It's in length 20, 150% density. It's really gorgeous. So we're going to install that together and then we're going to see what this gel is able to do. Now, if you've ever used GOT2B glue or maybe you've seen it in the store, they have the word water resistant on the bottle. So some people use water resistant and waterproof interchangeably and they believe that they mean the same thing. However, they are slightly different. Water resistant is more so for light exposure to water, and then waterproof, that's more of an increased ability to repel water. So if you get a glue like, this isn't glue actually, it's gel, but if you use something like GOT2B Hold where it has waterproof, this one is meant to last much longer when exposed to water, and you can actually expose more water to this particular product. So we're gonna see how this holds up at the gym. Is this a product that you can apply prior to going to the gym or maybe for days or so? We're gonna test it out. So let's do this. All right, got my outfit on. Now we're gonna install. Let's take the hat off. Let's see how jacked this wig is. Don't judge me. I feel the judgment. Stop it. Okay. I'll pull this down. So let's quickly get into the specifications. This unit does come with bleached knots. So I'm not even going to do the Sally Hansen method because I'm running low on that. It does come with light baby hair in the front. If you can see that. Has a very natural plucked hairline. Look how good that looks. And this unit is a lace construction unit. It has a comb at the bottom. There's also 2 combs on the side and 1 in the middle that you do not need. And the length is in length 20. And this is also 150% density. Goes so good. So I'm going to cut off the lace and then install it. I cut off the excess lace off camera and now I'm going to put it on. I'm not going to do the ball cap or the stocking cap method for this particular install. We're just going to the gym, so it's really not necessary. And I've been kind of getting away from that a little more. Now the way that the unit has been styled is with the middle part, but I am going to adjust that later, but it looks great. The bleach knots look phenomenal. I am going to alter my stocking cap just a bit to make it a little darker so it matches my scalp a bit more. So I'm just using my foundation in order to do that. And then I'm going to begin applying the GOT2B glue along the hairline. If your hairline doesn't come out as far as mine, you won't have to put it on your edges, but because of the type of hairline that I have, I do have to put it on my edges, but don't worry if yours isn't like mine. Okay, so I put it all over the front, and then after I've done that, I'm gonna now grab my blow dryer, put it on the cool setting, and I'm just gonna allow this to dry until it gets tacky. After that is complete, I'm gonna begin to move it forward, and I like to do one section at a time. I found that when I try to pull the whole thing forward, I have errors every single time. Now don't worry if you find that there are some areas where there's a need for more GOT2B glue. I told you all that my edges come forward a little more than a normal hairline. As a result, I find that once I've secured my side edges that I have to go back in on my forehead and add more GOT2B glue. So I just pull it up and then just add more in that area. I go back in with my blow dryer on the cool setting, and then after I've done that, I use the back of my rat tail comb in order to press into the lace and pull it down, and then it's secure. Now that the unit is secure, I'm going to begin working on shifting my part. You can leave it with the middle part, but I like a side part, so I'm just going to part it off, and then I'm going to apply some mousse in order to flatten it out. Once again, this unit did come with bleach knots, and they were done very well. They actually improved the technique that they used in order to bleach their knots. I did get the whole front of my unit bleached, which I believe was maybe $10 more for that particular option, but if you just want 2 inches of the front bleach, they'll do that for free, but I say it's worth just getting the whole front bleach. It looks really good that way. I did also get a cap size medium, and shipping was about 3 to 5 days, but if you get the whole front bleach, note that it's going to take an extra 5 days for the processing. So this is what the unit looks like right now. I am going to grab a band just to make sure that I've set the wig in the front and it's not going anywhere before I actually leave, because that wouldn't be good. It would be a whole waste of time if I didn't set it first. So I'm just wrapping around this elastic band. I left it on for 10 minutes and then we're ready to take it off. Now that the unit is installed and I've allowed the glue to dry for about 10 minutes, we're gonna head to the gym. But I need to put my hair in a ponytail because that's typically how I wear it at the gym. It aggravates me if it's down. What? Ponytail done, let's go. Alright, so I made it to the gym, guys. We did get a membership at 24 Hour Fitness, but sometimes I decide to work out at the home gym. I believe this day Gerard worked out at 24 Hour, but I decided to work out down here because I felt like I'd be able to record much better in this particular environment. While in this gym, I love to use the leg press. I also love the elliptical. That's my favorite machine to get on. I like using the shoulder press, and sometimes I'll also use the chest press. Now, I'm not going to be able to show you all the shoulder press and the chest press workout that I did, but I am going to show you all some of my workout on the elliptical and also the leg press. When I begin my workout, I typically begin with cardio, so I get on the elliptical for about 30 to 45 minutes. This particular day I did it for 45 minutes with an incline of 35 and also on level 15, so I could get a burn and also get some sweat going. And having my hair in a ponytail when doing this workout is so helpful. I used to work out with my hair down, and y'all, it would drive me insane. So if you're somebody who's going to the gym, I know y'all trying to look cute, ladies, and y'all trying to show off for these men at the gym, put your hair in a ponytail. Don't have that hair just swinging all around. It's gonna drive you nuts. So I'm gonna stay on this particular machine for 45 minutes, and then after, I'm gonna move on to the leg press. I have sweated a good amount, and look at what the wig is already starting to do. Oh my goodness. We're about to be messed up in here. Thankfully that day, because I went in the morning, there was only one other person in the gym and she wasn't paying me any mind, so that's good. So I'm gonna move on to the leg press now. This unit is not holding up very good with this GOT2B glue, but we're gonna move on to the leg press. I like to put it on 140. One of my major focus areas is getting my legs toned and also slimming those out some. I also wanna focus on my quads and my glutes, and this particular machine is very good for that. I typically do 50 to 100 reps on this machine, and then I move on to the shoulder press, but I'm not going to be able to show you the shoulder press workout. What? All right, y'all, so I just finished my workout and this is the verdict. Don't wear GOT2B glue to the gym unless you wear a headband over or maybe a hat so that you can keep everything in place, but it's lifting. If I pull it off, it will come right off. Let's fix that. All right, that's the end of this video. I finished my workout. We got it in today and I sweated quite a bit. And the verdict is don't wear GOT2B glue if you're trying to work out at the gym or do any active sports because it won't last long. I was in here probably an hour and a half and this whole little area, if I pull it, it's just gonna come off and that's no good. But I love you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to check the description for the link to this particular unit and all the specifications. I look forward to your comments and feedback. I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Yeah.